YouTube! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lay. I do videos on luxury, styling, and beauty. So if you like those things, welcome to my channel. This is the place for you. Don't forget to subscribe and again, ring the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. Aside from YouTube, you can also find me on Instagram as LayPetite8. The link to my IG will be listed down below, so don't forget to check that out. And so now let's get into the video. I literally just got home from Vegas. I haven't even been home for 10 minutes. I immediately had to do this setup and film because I couldn't wait to unbox what I wanted to show you today. I'm getting really impatient. I wanted to see this again for the first time with you guys. I haven't opened the box since I got it from the store. Let me show you what I got from Vegas, and it's my first ever piece from Hermes. I'm so happy. I don't know why I just sang, but yeah, I'm just really excited to see this again because this was not something that I expected to get. I knew coming into the store that I wanted to get this piece but in a different color. It happened that they didn't have it in store, and so I was gonna settle for, you know, a much more neutral option. But then fortunate for me, the best SA in the world just, you know, took out this beautiful color combination, and that's even better than what I initially wanted. So yeah, let me stop talking. Let's just take it out of the bag first. So of course, this is the box that it came in. I think you guys have an idea of what's in there. It also came with this, you know, envelope with a receipt, and she also gave me samples of perfumes. I haven't really tried any scent from Hermes. I am really excited to see this again. I think I've said that a while ago. Whatever, let's just unbox this one. So yes, wrapped beautifully. Let me remove the bow. There you go. Okay. Oops. Can't really see anything now, can we? There you go. So this is, I believe, the, let's take out what's inside. So this is the buckle. It's this classic Hermes buckle, and this, as you know, is from the Constance line. And I got the 24mm belt with white and brown reversible leather, and I'm really happy that we have this in store. I initially wanted to get the brown and mustard combo because I already have my Gucci Marmont in the black, and it's a similar width to this, but they didn't have it in store, so I was gonna settle for the black and brown combination, which I think is also nice because both are basic colors that you can pair with a lot of different outfits. And as you know, black is always gonna be like the best classic color ever. But then she took out this color combo, and I was really pleased because I don't have a white belt. Ever since I thought about getting a belt from Hermes, this was the exact color combo that I wanted to get it in. I have checked their website several times, and I thought I wanted to get the focus belt, but when I got in store, it was surprisingly very thin. It was a 13mm thickness, and it was like less than half the thickness of this. It was just so thin that I'm sure it would only be more appropriate to use as a waist belt, but I wanted to get something more versatile because these belts are, you know, they're not cheap, so I want something that I can get a lot of use out of. And I thought this thickness was perfect because this is something that I can use as a waist belt and something that I can use, you know, when I'm wearing jeans. And so yeah, so let's try the buckle on with the leather strap. And okay, let's try that. I think this is how you do it. I'm not sure. Okay, there you go. So this is the brown side, and this is the size 75, by the way. I had one hole added to this side, so it originally comes with 3 holes, and then I had one added to the outer part of the belt. I initially thought I would get the 80, but when I tried it on, it was perfect if I use it like for jeans. But trying it on as a waist belt, it would almost do like a half loop around my waist. And so I decided to get the smaller size, that is 75, and I just had one hole added again to the outer end of this belt. And so yeah, this is how it looks with the brown side. I think this combination is really fabulous. I always like gold and white combination. So this is how it looks. There you go. So again, this is a size 75. I would suggest that if you're thinking about getting this belt, to go in store, because the sizing might be different for you. Like in my case, I initially wanted to get the 80, but I ended up you know, walking away with a size 75. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my little souvenir from my recent trip, and I'm very, very happy that I finally have this. I don't think I will ever get a Birkin or a Kelly, but I love their belts a lot. I love the SLGs. I even love their, you know, sandals and all the other shoes in store. They're just really, really beautiful. I also asked the SA about color transfer on the white side of the belt, especially when you're wearing jeans, and she said that she owns one and she's never had any issues with color transfer or anything. But just to be sure, I would, you know, apply leather protector on this, the same one that I use for my handbags. She was also the nicest SA ever, like the best SA I ever encountered across all fashion houses. She was just so approachable, she was so warm, and she was really patient with me because I kept on going back and forth between, you know, the size 80 and the 75. She even told me to just drop by and say hi when I'm in Vegas again, and I thought that was really sweet of her. And if you guys are ever in Vegas and you know, by any chance want to visit their store, look for Lana. I've had the best experience in my in-store purchase for this belt. And that's it for this video. Really, I just wanted to show you what I got. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!